How's it going, everyone? I hope you're having a kick-ass week. Jesse here from Still It with another quick video in the new Distillers 101 Guide to Distilling. And today we're talking about taking notes. Now I know this is something that's a little bit boring, something that maybe doesn't sound very exciting compared to actually running the still, to fermenting, to mashing, to whatever it is. But it may be, in my mind, one of the single most important things that you can do to really dial in your craft, to chase the craft, and to push yourself to the next level. Let me tell you why. But actually, before I do, I want to give you a little example of something that happened to me in the last couple of weeks that kind of proves the point. So, most of you probably know that I'm in America right now. If you don't, that's where I am, and that's why we've got these pre-recorded videos going out at the moment. I'm over there for a few different reasons, but one of the things that I'm excited about doing is teaming up with some other YouTubers, and I wanted to take some samples along to get their feedback on my craft, to let them tell me whether or not I'm doing a good job or not. So I was flicking through my notes, deciding what I should take, and I realized that I'd made a big screw up. Not long ago on the channel I had a video tasting these two spirits here, and I told you that they were the same thing, the peated Irish whiskey, and that the one difference between the two was the type of wood that I was using. I noticed when I was tasting them that one was much more grungy than the other, slightly more peaty, but had a little bit more funk to it, and I was trying to figure out, as I was doing that video, why that was. Whether it is the difference between the two different woods, the amount of wood, something like that was kind of what I was thinking. Couldn't quite figure it out. Turns out that those were actually two different blends. Yeah. Muppet. I didn't check my notes before that video, I just dove right in and got it done because I needed to get a video done. But what actually happened is when I made the cuts for that whiskey, I decided that I would do a fast version and a long version to hopefully capture more flavor, but to sit and age for longer, and a shorter version to get ready for Christmas. Now Christmas has come and gone, but anyway, that's the point. So, the reason I tell you all of this, and the reason that I go through this long story, is to show you that if I didn't take notes, I probably would have never realized that. I would have gone on thinking that maple magically gets rid of funk in peated whiskies, or something like that. And I may have gone off on a totally incorrect tangent and done a whole lot of experiments or created a whole lot of spirits under false pretenses. That is the reason that you need to take notes, guys. I know when you're doing it, it feels like you'll remember it because it's something that's important to you, you're involved in it, you're putting your blood, sweat and tears into it, but you forget, or you forget the impact of the fact that it may be 2 years before you taste that spirit again. That's a long ass time, and the only way that you're going to be able to taste it and adjust and do something better or different or more creative next time is if you know what you did the first time round. You will not remember it, I promise you. Not if you're making enough stuff and letting it age for long enough. So guys, I know it's not exciting, I know it's not a sexy part of the craft, but if you're taking some solid notes and keeping them somewhere, recording them so you can refer to them later on, I promise you, your craft will benefit from it. Anyway team, I hope you enjoyed this little quick video. If you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. That helps the channel out heaps. If you're enjoying these videos and you want to know how else you can help the channel out, number one is share this video with anyone else that you think might enjoy it. Number two is check the merch out down below, either in the bar below the video or in the link down below. And number three, if you're really finding value in these videos, I would thoroughly appreciate you jumping over onto my Patreon page, checking that out, and consider signing up there if it is for you. Which reminds me guys, I need to say a huge thank you to the existing Patreons. The only reason that I'm doing this stuff, the only reason that Still It is still here, and definitely the only reason I can tee up with other YouTubers in different countries is the fact that these guys are helping me out. So thank you very much. Alright guys, I know that wasn't a sexy topic, but I think it's important, so I wanted to mention it in this series for new distillers. I'll catch you again soon. Keep on chasing the craft, guys. See ya.